Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about earn free crypto without any investment. If you're still struggling to make money online, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online today. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. So let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Gram Free is a digital project built on the blockchain that was made to be fast, safe, scalable, and able to handle millions of transactions per second. The Gram Free website says Gram Free is faster than the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains, and it can even do more transactions per second than Visa and MasterCard. The main idea is to run transactions at the same time and split all the data into small blockchains that can talk to each other. This project is fairly new, just like the other new projects. So one might ask, is it a ripoff? I'm also new to this website, but you should try it because there are a lot of real websites that used to look like scams but weren't. The best example is Bitcoin, which was once called a tech fad or a scam, but now competes with traditional ways of making money. Since it's free to use, you should definitely check out the site. Will it get better? Don't think about the future right now. Even Bitcoin took 12 years to get to this point, so you should give every cryptocurrency at least that long. Just stay interested and enjoy yourself. Gram Free, I hope can help you out in so many ways. Income. It's a pretty new project, so its token isn't very popular. Its value might go down in the future, but it could also go up, so you should keep your money in it. Don't sell to make money quickly. And how does this work? Visit Gram Free link website and sign up there. Every hour, you can roll the dice, and each time you get a gram token. Right now, 1 gram token is worth $4, which is pretty good for a currency that isn't used very often. You could be the first one. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure to watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.